Hello children, welcome to Computer Digital Learning Platform for grade 1. Today I am going to solve textbook activities 4, 5 and 6, page number 12, 13, 14 and 15, topic uses of computer. Through this session, we are learning to identify the places where computers have been used. And we are learning to identify the activities that can be done using a computer. My dear children, be ready with your computer textbook page number 12, notebook, a pencil and an eraser. Let us start with activity number 4. Here are some places where computers are used. Find them all from the grid. Following are the places: school, bank, shop, hospital, station, airport and offices. Children, you need to identify the places where computers have been used in the word grid given below. For example, first one is school. Children, can you find out school in the word grid given? Yes, here is the school. Yes, C H O O L. Now circle the word school in the word grid. In the same way, you need to identify remaining places and circle them in the grid given. Let's move to activity number 5. Which of the following activities can be done using a computer? Place a tick where you think they can be used and a cross where you think they cannot be used. Children, you have to put a tick mark the activities that can be done using a computer and cross mark the activities that cannot be done using a computer in the box given. For example, first one is Seema is climbing a tree using rope. Can a computer be used to climb a tree? Can you guess the answer, children? Yes, it's wrong. We cannot use computer to climb a tree. So, put a cross mark in the box given. Second one, that is B. Varun has prepared a list of guests for his birthday. Can a computer be used to prepare the list? Yes, it's correct. Then put a tick mark in the box given. Similarly, identify the activities and mark them in the box given. I will read all the sentences for your reference. C. Som is eating a banana. Can a computer be used to eat bananas? D. Suhas is listening to music. Can a computer be used to listen to music? E. Rima is blowing a balloon. Can a computer be used to blow a balloon? Got the answer, children? Yes. F. Jeet is adding numbers on a slate. Can he use a computer to add numbers? Next one is G. Salman is making chapatis. Can a computer be used to make chapatis? H. Rahul is drawing on a sheet of paper. Can a computer be used to draw pictures? Got the answer, children? Hope you understood these activities. Remaining questions you need to solve on your own. Let's move to activity number 6, that is project. People from different occupations use computers for different purposes. Find out who uses computers and for what purpose. Here is a table containing a column, occupation and purpose of using computer. Children, you need to find out who uses computers and for what purposes and write them in the given table. For example, first one is doctor. Now, tell me what purpose doctor uses computer? Yes, doctor uses it to keep a record of his patients. Similarly, identify the remaining uses of computers and for what purpose it is used and complete the table. Home play is complete the activities 4, 5 and 6 on page number 12, 13, 14 and 15 and write activity 5 in your computer notebook. Thank you children. Bye.